Greetings all, and I want to take you through the Play 2 WOD, which is called CleanHelloMe. And the basic goal of this WOD is to get you used to developing Play applications that can pass check style. To give you a sense for why this isn't as easy as it may seem, I've got the Hello Me application here, which is basically just exactly the same as it's just generated by running play new, okay? And you can see that already we've got these 15 warnings that come up. That's not good. But life gets even worse when we go to properties, check style, and we make check style active. Okay, so we say yes. Okay, and now we find that there are actually 50 warnings, okay, that are associated with this. Okay, so that's a whole lot of warnings to actually deal with. And when I encountered this, what I decided to do was create a default play, a project that was based upon the default play project, where I have gone in and fixed all of these errors, and that's called the play new pass check style. So we can, if we go into controllers, bring this up, for example, you can see all these different kinds of things here. Missing package info, wildcard, wildcard imports, no Java doc, no Java doc. You can see the indentations off. It's really kind of a mess. I find this. I've complained to the Play people about this. They don't care, seemingly. So anyway, what I've done is I've created this new GitHub project, and the idea is if we go to that same directory, okay, what you can see is that there aren't any wildcard imports. They're fully qualified, and I provide the Java docs, and I fix the indentation, and so on and so forth for all of these things here that you can see. So my view is that it is much easier for you when you're starting off a new Play project. Start with the default one, but start with my default one because it's already got all of those things fixed, and then you can go on and you don't have 50 things you've got to fix every time you do it. The other thing is that in order to do that, you're going to find out that we're going to have to rename the build.scala file. And in order to do that easily, it's good to create an association between the star.scala file extension and the default text editor. So you go into this, and you click Add. I've already done it, all right? So you click Add, and then you're going to type in star.scala to define that one, and then you're going to create an associated editor, and you're off to the races. Okay, so let's close this project. So we get rid of all that stuff, and let's do the WOD. Okay. So we're going to have to start our timer. So we're going to create a Play application called CleanHelloMe by downloading the Play New Pass Check Style repository, then renaming the directory Equip Project and Play Project to CleanHelloMe. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to download the zip. And then here it is right here. So Play New Check Style Master. I'm going to put that on my desktop. And then once it's there, I'm going to rename that to Clean Hello Me. And then I'm going to go to the desktop, and I'm going to cd into Clean Hello Me. And I'm going to type play. Because this is a Play project, but the Eclipse .class path and .project files are not yet generated for this. And in fact, one of the interesting things about Play, one of the kind of unfortunate things about Play, is that everybody has to maintain their own versions of the .project and .class path files. I can't upload that to GitHub and have you be able to download a Play project, which is all set up for Eclipse. You always have to do this step of running Play and then typing Eclipse. And the reason why this has to happen is because when it generates the .class path and the .project files, it has absolute paths to the location where you've installed your Play installation, your Play 2.1.4 or whatever. So and everybody's going to have that in different places. And so that's why everybody has to do this individually, and you can't commit this stuff to GitHub when we get to that. Anyway, okay, now we've got this past check style, or the CleanHelloMe project. It's renamed at the file level. We want to now import it into Eclipse. And we do that like this. Desktop, CleanHelloMe open. Okay, it's called past check style. And now we've got that. And so now the next thing we do, so we're going to rename it. We're going to rename the Eclipse project. So there's 3 different renamings. We're going to rename the directory. That's over here. We're going to rename the Eclipse project to CleanHelloMe. Okay. And then the final thing is we have to tell Play that that's the name of the project. And so the way we do that is we go to Build.scala, and you can see this past check style here. This is the code that we, or the the string that we changed, CleanHelloMe. Save it out, and now we're going to go down into my Play console, and I'm going to say reload. Okay, when we reload it, we now see that the Play project down here in the console thinks it's CleanHelloMe. So those are the 3 things that we've done. You might be asking yourself, boy, that was a hassle. I don't want to do that all the time. But let me just show you that now when I go to Properties, Check Style, Enable Check Style, yes, okay, we don't have any of those 50 check style errors that we had before. So it's up to you. You could use Play New and go and manually correct 50 check style errors every single time, or you can download this. You have to go through this 3-step process of renaming everything, which is, I admit, kind of a hassle, but much better. Okay, anyway, we got this WOD to do. What the heck am I supposed to do here? Let me go back. It's almost incidental. Hello me, I'm super clean. Okay, so I go to Controllers, Applicate. Now I'm going to go in here to Index. And I'm going to say, generates a page containing only the words, hello, me, I'm super clean. Save it out. Oh, I forgot to even open this thing. Desktop, CleanHelloMe. Doggone it. I'm sorry. Now I got to say run. Okay, and I'm going to go here, localhost. Okay. Now I'm not enabling live reload on this project because it's so crazy simple, but you do know how to do that, right? So I go to live reload, I add the CleanHelloMe, okay, to it, and then I just click this button, and then if I make a change here, hi, again, save out. I didn't say that. Save out. Did I not do this? Oh, sorry, it's tilde run that I've got to use. Okay, so Control D, tilde run. Okay. Hi, yet again, save. All right, and there we go. Okay, so it's now doing it. Anyway, 5:40, let's call it 5 minutes for the last little bit of screwing around. So an RX time for this is 5 minutes. And the main thing here is to notice that from now on, I suggest you use that that play new past check style default project as the way you bootstrap things so that you've avoided check style problems. Always, from now on, I'm going to assume that I'm going to demand that all of your projects that you submit to me past check style, I'll be checking for that. So you're going to enable check style as a matter of course, and life should be good.